Today I will open up my third Amazon Renewed package. I usually get the good or acceptable, but today I got excellent, and let's see how good it is. I have a Samsung 22 Plus right here. That's probably important information. I got the white one today because I never had a white Samsung device. If you love the video so far, please give me that like and subscribe. So I said, might as well do something different. We have the USB Type-C charging cord, and it's actually pretty long. So this one is supposedly directly from Samsung, which is kind of weird why they gave me a white box. But I did buy it from Samsung's Amazon page. We have Ashley. Weird. Maybe I actually bought it from Ashley and I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, here's the device. I'm going to get the device right now. Yeah, this device is pretty darn good. I am not showing it at all, but this is the device right now as I move the camera. This is the Samsung 22 Plus. It's hard to see on camera, but near the charging port, there is a little thing right here that is damaged, but that is the only spot I have seen thus far with this device. There are also a few scratches on the side of the device, but so hard to actually see that it really doesn't matter. Okay, I don't have a case, so I'm not going to put on a case right away, but let's see if there is a charge outside the box. So I held the device for about 5 seconds and it was able to turn on pretty darn fast. This device has 42% battery outside the box. That's actually pretty darn good. I'm going to set up this device right now. I'm going to change it to an anime girl eventually, but man, this wallpaper looks exquisite. This device does look pretty nice so far. I think it's on 60 Hertz, so I'm going to have to change that. Let's see what the camera is like. Tap controls, yada yada, can I just skip it? Let's see, does it have a 50 megapixel? Does it have more than 50 megapixel? No, it does not. It only has 50 megapixel. Gotcha. Let's see, does it have yes, it does have 8K, only at 24 frames? Yikes. Ultra HD, which I believe is 4K, does it have 60 frames a second? Yes, it does. Very interesting. Ooh, that looks nice. Here is a video test with no mic. This is the raw video and raw audio. Okay, yeah, I recommend using a microphone because that audio was not the best. Back in the day, we would download YouTube and open up YouTube as a test, but there's already YouTube, so I gotta figure out something now. I guess Temu. Great, now my entire phone is Chinese spyware. Let's open the app. Yeah, it works. I was wrong. It was automatically set to 120 Hertz, and I like that. When I first booted the phone, it was at 42% battery, and now it's at 33% battery. Yikers, buddy. 120 Hertz really does kill it fast. This device has 8 gigabytes of RAM, but I'm pretty sure mine's the 128 gigabytes model because I'm not going to daily this phone. There's kind of a lot of bloat on this device. It downloaded all of the Google ones, all of the Samsung ones, even though I swear I said skip these. Netflix, Samsung Free, whatever that is, YouTube Music automatically. And Temu is the one that I downloaded, but still, there's a lot of bloat on this device. I'm glad I got a calculator, but other than that, what the heck, Samsung? I didn't notice this until just now, but it actually gave me micro slop. Disgusting. So for $200, first impressions on the Amazon Renewed Samsung 22 Plus or Samsung Galaxy 22 Plus, I will say it's a very good device thus far. The only big major complaint that I have is that 42% battery out of the box is kind of mid. It's hard to see on camera, but I also don't like that it's a freaking magnet for my fingerprints. Despite those flaws, the bezel is really small, and that's good. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below. I do read everything.